classwork just by using these student summaries. So to do this, you're going to be clicking on the People tab in your classroom. I'm going to go back to my classroom and go right up here where it says People. Get rid of that. And under my People, I have 2 students, right? If I click on Robin's name, what it does is automatically load for me a work summary. So this is all the work, and I can see here things that Robin's turned in, things that have been assigned, things that are missing. But what's awesome, you guys, is right up here in the corner, you have this little mail icon. And when you click on that, you can then click this checkbox to include that work summary that we were just viewing right in the email to Robin. And I can even type a message to her here and send it off to her. It is such an easy way to share. You can also filter this as a teacher, just filtering to what's missing for a student. Ooh, Robin, I need to talk to her. But just filtering really gives you a quick view of all the things that a student might be missing. Unfortunately, you cannot just send them the missing. When you hit that email student, it's going to send the entire work summary, not just a filtered view, just to give you a quick heads up on that. All right, so using that quick email summary on your students, I tell you, you can do an entire class in a pretty short amount of time. It actually goes really fast. And I love that you don't have to type in like email addresses or anything. It just sends it from Classroom. So I highly recommend looking into that one. All right. And then I had a quick little screenshot of how you can do the filters. So don't forget about that. Let's move on to tip number 7. And that is using the gradebook. There's a lot of things about the gradebook that many people don't know you can do. So, the gradebook in Google Classroom, it's really fairly easy to use, and it's pretty simplistic in its nature. There are just these few things, though, that I want to show you that help with being efficient and just using it really quickly. So we're going to jump back to my Google Classroom, and I'm going to go back in here and to the Grades tab on my Classroom, which is where you find the gradebook. One of the best tips that I find many people do not know you can do is when you select a cell and you want to kind of navigate through your gradebook, you can use the arrow keys. I'm just pushing the arrow key on my keyboard.